bagged ourselves a Mazda 1.8 Icon. What's the Icon mean?
It's just got the wood pack in it. And a 6-speed gearbox.
6-speed gearbox, limited slip diff.
Yeah.
And the Wolsey, the Wolsey pack.
It's like your finest furniture in here. It's very nice.
But
very nice.
if you want alfresco dining, I don't think you're going to go much cheaper than an MX5, are you not?
Oh, you're not. Brilliant little car. But other than that, gearbox, brilliant. Brakes, brilliant. Steering, brilliant. You know, wind in the hair, or lack of. Great little car. Great little car. But best thing about them is all the drivetrain, all the running gear. It's what you want. The best bits.
So Mazda claim on this car that it's 138 brake horsepower from stock. I wonder, this is, how old is this one? This is a 2000, isn't it?
2000.
So 21 years old. I imagine a few ponies have escaped from the field between release and now.
Yeah, if it had 138 horses in that field, I reckon, yeah, one or two of them have left the paddock and gone.
Gone and disappeared.
Disappeared.
So it's an 1840cc engine, and it's got, so Mazda claim, 168 newton meters of torque. But it is 1998 tech, and as I say, a couple of ponies may have left the field between now and then.
Yeah, spruce it up. It's done 80,000 miles, you know, but probably a good service, get adjustments on it, bit of mapping done. You can get all those ponies back, you know, you can feed them back into the field for sure.
So that's with a BP engine.
Yeah, the NB or BP as they call it. So rather than VVT, variable valve, which I think Mazda claim is 150, isn't it? 150.
Yeah, it's a little
about 150. So, which is a nice little number, you know, in a lightweight sports car, a decent number. But, you know, 6-speed box, good for big horsepower if you're ever going up with that. And it is
super smooth, it's silky, it's like a piece of velvet.
Yeah,
it's like a Winchester rifle.
Yeah, it slots through the gears, really clean, gotta say. And I know everybody who's driven it, anybody who's done a review on them, loves the MX5 for its predictability, the way it drives, all of that, you know.
It's just cheap outdoor fun, isn't it? I mean,
very cheap outdoor fun.
Right, let's see how this goes in third gear. Let's do a 20 to 60 pull.
Right.
Are you ready?
20 to 60, right, I'm going to get a 20 mile an hour.
I've got the stopwatch.
3,
ready.
2, 1,
go.
now!
Well, Mazda claim that it's 0 to 60 in 8 seconds, and we just did a 20 to 60 in 8.86 seconds.
Mate, I could have read a book. Alright, look, we'll try and spice it up. So it's 30. Let's try and do a 20. Yeah?
That was 30.
Yeah, well, we'll do a second gear then, 20. Yeah?
Right, okay.
Second gear, 20.
Alright. Second
to
gear,
60.
20 to
I might
60.
have to change it to third because I don't think it'll make it. Right, we'll get second gear. Alright, now 20 mile an hour. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I was a bit late on that. Oh, you are going to have to change gear, or are you going to blow it?
Yep.
6.81 seconds.
Ah.
Whoa, she's quick.
Right, this will be a laugh. Look, 30 mile an hour, 6 gear. Do you reckon get to 60?
No.
Do you reckon?
We'll run out of road before we do that.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, we're on.
We're gonna run out of road. 40. 50.
That's 11 seconds now.
50. And we're gonna make 60.
Tell me when.
Now. Oh my god.
Well, you could have read 2 books.
can open up a library.
That was 18.8 seconds.
30 to 64.
Let's just say the MX5, whilst it's a fun car, it's not a fast car.
Yeah, we're not setting lap records with this, are we? We're not.
I think you'd need to do a few more things to it to be able to get it to paint lines in the road.
Yeah. Is there better things you can do with an MX5?
We got lucky with the weather because it's quite nice and warm today, and we were pretty unlucky yesterday because there was a big thunderstorm yesterday, and I think there's something got hit by lightning yesterday.
In Essex,
it was
yeah.
in the news.
It was in the news. Well, I'll tell you what. While we're out cruising, let's go and investigate that bridge. See what's going on. What happened? Now, somewhere down here, that electrical storm happened. And the bridge is down here somewhere. Just round this corner. So let's get to... Look at it, it's a great little car, isn't it? Right.
A bit of fun.
What's going on down here?
A little bit of power.
What's going on? What
power?
Power. We need more power! Whoa! What happened?
We turned into an RX-5.
What the? Hang on. Steering wheel? Gears? Accelerator?
That's Mazda.
That's Mazda.
MX-5. Mazda handbrake.
Different dash. Got a nice little digi dash, but... Oh, hang on. Oh, we got a bit of spice.
We're in the turbo.
Oh, I can hear the turbo. We've gone from a standard MX-5 to an RX-5 turbo.
Wow.
We know that this is delivering now about 308 horsepower, has more potential, but 280 foot-pound of torque to play with. So we'll have a little play. She pops some bangs, I think. Let's try.
Crikey!
It's like a machine gun. Honestly,
What a laugh.
so much power. How you
So
take...
we're all Mazda. We're Mazda front end.
Yep.
We're Mazda engine.
Mazda engine. Gearbox. Tick. Front uprights. Brakes. Fuel pump. Steering column. Electrics. Handbrake. Yeah. All the really good stuff.
Oh, that's just turned my stomach over.
You feel like a hooligan. I love a bike engine car, but you got to say, you don't have to do much to make this go fast. You take double the horsepower and double the torque. See, 300 horsepower and 280 foot-pound of torque, which is pretty much double what he has in that MX5 Icon. And about half the weight, you turn it into a fire-breathing, popping, banging monster.
This is crazy fast. This is crazy fast.
Just cruises as well. Really
if you
nice.
guys want to get a ride in this car, then hit us up. I think it will certainly open your eyes to what sort of power and speed that you can get out of your your Mazda MX-5. It's not standard.
It's not standard.
It's been breathed on and tinkled with a little bit, but stopwatch 20 to 60.
Second or third gear?
Third gear pull.
Third gear pull. 20 mile an hour. Ready?
3.
Hang on. Get on the straight.
No, get on the straight bit.
3,
3,
2, 1,
go.
Boost comes in.
That's 3.7 seconds.
And I'll probably be quicker in second gear. We'll see what she does. 20 mile an hour. Look, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.